In this video, I'm going to show you how to hook up your wires to both your spark plugs and your coils on your 3800 series engine. Don't forget to check out the clip at the end of the video for more information on the channel. But in case you don't get a chance to, let me know your feelings. Share it on the video. That means liking, disliking, commenting, and subscribing. Let me know what you think, and that also helps the channel grow too. Alright everyone, this is just a very quick video. I was just asked recently about where the wires go from the coils to the actual spark plugs themselves. Other than trying to explain it online, because it's hard to say, okay, this is number one, number two, whatever, and line it up, I figured it'd be much easier to film a very, very quick video. So, for the sake of the video, I'm going to label it as this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as I'm facing forward on the vehicle, that's going to be rear 1, rear 2, rear 3 for the cylinders in the back, and front 1, front 2, front 3. This is just for the simplicity of the video itself. Number 1 here goes to the rear cylinder, the third one. So again, the first one sings on the alternator, there's the middle one, the third one. So number 1 goes there. Number 2, if you look here, we can even pull it, goes to the front middle cylinder. Number 3, that goes along here to the rear first cylinder. That's the one underneath the alternator. It's kind of the hardest one to get to. Number 4, that one there, you see if we pull it, actually goes along the rail here, and that goes to the front third one here. So again, 1, 2, 3. The fifth one, right over here. Now the only one that's left in the back is the rear middle. So we already got that one, we already got that one, so it's just the middle rear. And then over here, that's the last one, and if you pull that, you can even see that goes to the first one right over here. So with that, you should be able to line up all your wires. Again, because each one is a different length, you should be able to match them up by length. That's why I'll also say always disconnect one at a time, although sometimes the job may not call for that, especially if you're taking off the heads or, you know, whatever. But in case you ever need it, that's the lineup you need. Now the YouTube stuff. I always love a great feedback, so make sure right off the bat to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Now, if you like something on the channel, definitely like it. Give it that thumbs up. If you disliked it, thumbs down for sure. But let me know why. That's what the comment section are for. And whatever it is, if you like something, then I know it's working. And if you dislike something, then I know something didn't. But let me know why, so I can continue to build a channel and make it better for me and for you. Aside from that, commenting is great too. So if there's something you can do better, something you can do different, any tips for other viewers, I'm all about that too. So make sure to put that in there. If you have a question about something that's maybe not even related directly to the video, leave that for me as well. Other than that, I want to thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all next video.